Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today I'm going to talk about form and substance equals essence. We've talked about this before, but I've been getting a lot of calls from large venues, churches, auditoriums. They've spent tens of thousands of dollars on treatment. It's the wrong type. It's in the wrong place. And there's not enough of it. Can never be enough of it because it's not the right type. Spending tens of thousands of dollars because they don't understand acoustics and what's involved. And quite honestly, companies have misrepresented themselves. Let me tell you a great story. I'm working with a large church, Catholic church, 80-foot walls. Granted, half the size of Notre Dame. They've had 4 PA systems in the last 10 years at a total cost of $1 million. All 4 speaker manufacturers told them that their speaker would solve their reverberation problems. That should have been a red flag right away if you have any understanding about acoustics. The speaker can never solve your reverb problem because once the energy leaves the speaker, I don't care what the array distribution is, the room owns it. The room will manage it or not manage it or make it worse. So that's just out and out lies. Guess what? The church is now back to using their first PA system after they fixed the reverb issue with treatment. So they would have saved $750,000 had they spent $150,000 to treat the room. Lots of form, no substance. You can never get essence. You can never get a result if those 2 variables aren't satisfied. There's no way a speaker can control reverberation time in a room. And don't let any manufacturer tell you that, please. Poor performance, misapplied, not a proper amounts of coverage. I see it all the time. Look at the material type used. That's the substance. Look at what they're trying to achieve with this material type. Look at the data. Look at the absorption coefficients. It's not something you can really use common sense in. This is empirical physics. You have to understand a little bit about absorption coefficients, math, energy, amplitude, strength, frequency. There's a lot of things. Stay away from limp mass material types for low frequency management. They just don't work. They're not designed to work. Most of these products are designed as an insulation, an R value material type. It's not designed for low frequency absorption. You would have to use a box that's 11 feet deep to absorb 100% at 100 cycles with most of this stuff. So it's not a viable situation. It's not a viable material type. It lacks the proper rates and levels for music and voice. Music and voice are different than noise. We're very attuned to hearing different tonal variations in voice. If I put my voice down here low and I speak quietly, or I raise it up like this, you can hear immediately the amplitude change, which causes a tonal change, which may cause a meaning change. If I'm yelling or I'm talking quiet, those convey different emotions. You have to have a material type that works for that kind of fluctuation and subtlety. You have to. If you're going to achieve your goal of 100% fixed and 100% right. I always ask people that have spent thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, have their room treated because they always want to talk about what they've done and show me pictures about what they've done. And my first question is, well, why are you calling? We're not happy. Form plus substance equals essence. They've got form, but they don't have substance. The materials they're using, they could cover the whole church. They could cover the whole auditorium. It still won't work. It's kind of scary. If you don't have one of the two variables, you're not going to achieve the goal. Make essence your goal. Make it 100% fixed, 100% right. We can help you. We guarantee all our products. We guarantee all our design work. And we guarantee all of our specifications. We put our money where our mouth is. I will guarantee a frequency response curve in a new room build. Okay? We'll guarantee all of that. We'll put our money where our mouth is. We'll even guarantee our noise barrier technology. Even though we don't build it, we just do design work for barriers. We don't offer services where we come out and build it. Any local contractor can build our noise designs. And we'll guarantee them if they're built right. We've been in business 15, 16, 17 years. I can't remember, to be honest with you. We've never had a design work project come back on us. This is the most important thing today ever. Because I see a lot of form in everything, not just acoustics. I see a lot of form. People want to look a certain way. They want to drive a certain car. That's all form. But this is what's lacking. There's no substance. You can look the job, but you can't achieve the job if you don't have the right data. And you'll never have essence. And today, more than ever, especially in acoustics, we need essence. And that's the goal. And that's the impetus behind all of our products. And that's why I created them. Our foam technology took me 8 years and $2 million. Carbon technology, longer almost than that, probably the same amount of money. I went through 12 cabinet fill material types after I achieved the cabinet I wanted. So there's a lot of, there's a lot of substance in our designs. There's a form to them, obviously, and there's a lot of performance. So we'll get you to where you need to go. Form plus substance equal essence. Follow this formula in almost everything you do in life. I think you'll be a lot happier. I hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.